Students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Program DTCS First Trimester, Session Metal and Alloy, General Principle. Now we discuss General Principle of Metal and Alloy. To introduction in the density of metals represent one of the three major classes of material used for the reconstruction of damaged or missing oral tissue. So all those metals are readily disconstituted for and polymers. So polymers and our metals make polymer compositions and chromatic polymer compositions in represent in diagrams. So now we discuss a, a chemical substance, the good conductor of a heat and electricity, and when polysaid polysides is a good reflector of a lights. The Metal Handbook 1992. So any alloy is a substance with metallic properties that consist of two or more chemical elements, at least one of which is a metals. So properties of a metals exhibits is a lustrous, good thermal and electrical conductors, high features and thickness is ductiles and malleables. So highly resistant of corrosions and oxidations, noble metals, that is gold, iridium, osmium, palladium, platinum, rhodium and ruthenium. So most metals have a white appearance. For examples, aluminum and silver, nickel and palladium, tin and zinc are non-white metals. For examples, are as a gold and copper are as a non-white metals, and white metals are aluminum, silicons and palladium and zinc. So the classification in periodic table: metal, non-metals and alloy metals. So that can be represented in periodic table. High high metals are brittle and ductile metals. So heavy metals and light metals and noble metals is a heavy metals is represent in periodic table. Okay. So alloy is a crystalline substance with metallic properties, that is compositions of a two more chemical elements, at least one of which is a metals. So pure metals are really used in density because they are weaker than they are when mixed of other materials. So alloys are classification as a classification of the details. Casting alloys are high noble alloys to materials at least 60% noble and 40% which is a gold. So remaining of 40% is base of a metals. So noble alloys is a semi at least 25% is noble, so no gold requirements, and 75% base of metals. And next last are base metal alloys, the less than 25% is nobles. So National Burning of Standards types first are soft wakers are the hardness numbers in between 50 to 19, and types of the medium between to 90 to 122, and the threads are between the mediums and 122 to 125s. So last are extra hard are approximates, and less than HV less than is greater than are greater than is approximately 150 is national standards. So alloys types by descriptions are given below in tables. Crude and breaking oils, metal ceramic oils, and removables, pet, removables petals and distance oils. So noble metal oils are gold blaze oils, types 3 and types 4. Gold blaze oils are low good oils. And next are the noble matte oils are non good blessed alloys, silver, platinum alloy. So next are metal ceramic alloys. There are noble metal alloys for the pro cleans and bondings. So gold platinum's alloys, and gold platinum silver's alloys, and gold platinum alloys. Platinum silver alloys the high palladium's alloys, and best of the metal alloys in age, nickel based alloys and cobalt based alloys. So the last C is the removal mm, alloys are all those types. The four noble metals alloys may be used. Majority of removable partial framework is a made from a base metal alloys. So cobalt chromium alloy, nickel chromium alloy, cobalt chromium nickel alloy, silver palladium, etc. So the other all alloys first are copper zinc with iridium and nickels alloys, and silver iniums with palladium alloys, and based metal alloys are from pro, procallium and bondings and nickel chromium alloys and gold platinum alloys. Okay student, so classification of alloys of all metals and metallic restorations and framework for the removal partial restoration. So high noble high nobles are all metals Ag, Au, Cu, Pd, metallic ceramic alloys, and metals are Au, Pd, Pt, and Au, Pd, Pg 5 to 12 weight gram Ag. So next noble gases are Ag, Pu, Pd, Au, Cu. So metal ceramic alloys. And next are base metal are pure It and Ti, titanium and aluminums and vanadiums. So copper, chromium, monodium, and cobalt, copper, and vanadiums are pure titanium, and pure titanium is metal ceramic and removal or partial dentures. सो स्टूडेंट्स ये होता है अपने पास मेटल्स एंड ऑलॉयस। मेटल्स वाला ये मिश्र धातु भी अपन जिसको बोलते हैं, जिसमें बेसिकली दो मिश्र मेटल्स आपस में मिलकर एक ऑलॉयस बनाते हैं, जिसको बोलते हैं कॉपर जिंक, कॉपर कोबाल्ट, निकल बेस्ड एंड गोल्ड प्लेटिनियम्स आर नोन एज ए ऑलॉयस। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, थैंक यू।